Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I did this eye makeup, so purple, no purple, orange and blue cut crease with this orangey lipstick. So if you wanna know how I created it, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I've primed my lids, I did my face and I'm going on my eyes into the Huda Beauty palette and this shade called Eden. It's light peachy shade and I'll apply it as my transition shade. With smaller blending brush and again from Huda Beauty palette, I'll take this shade and it's called Blazing and I'll deepen my crease with this shade. With this a bit denser blending brush, I'm going into the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and this orange shade called Baja, and I'll further deepen crease just by tapping it into it. I'll deepen more my crease with this with black shade from Wet n Wild, and this is called Panther, and I'll apply it in my outer V. I'll go under my eyes also with this black shade. And I'll connect it with that higher part. I'll again take this blending brush and I'll mix shade Eden and this shade Blazing. And I'll smudge this lower lash line. I'll cut my crease with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 326 Vanilla. On my cut crease, I'll take this Imagination palette from Makeup Revolution and I'll take this shade called Butterfly. For my second shade, I'm taking Sofx palette from Makeup Revolution and this shade called Infinity. And last shade I'm taking is this one called Radio, and this is from Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And I'll blend this dark blue one with black shade. I'll take this brown eyeliner in my waterline because I can't find my black one, and this is from Essence in the shade Teddy. But I'll set it with black eyeshadow. I'm finally done with my eyes and I love how it's turned out, but now I'm going on my lips. And first I'll line them with this NYX liner in the shade Nude Truffle. I'll fill my lips with this new L'Oreal. It's called, oh, I don't know how these lipsticks are called, but they are a new liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Achieve. It's like orangey shade. I love this, like a vintage orange shade. In the middle, I wanna take this lipstick from Anastasia. This is in the shade Kiss. And guys, I'm finally done. I love how this eye makeup turned out, and I really love a combination of blue and orange. And all of the products I used on my face will be listed in the description, so if you want to know something I used, be sure to check it there. This is my eye makeup. I really love how it turned out, and I hope you'll like it also. So if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want, you can comment something, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!